How to export files from Canva properly. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you to the steps and how you can export files from Canva properly. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to export files from Canva properly, it is pretty simple. Simply go ahead and open up a particular project, right? Once you have opened up the project, you shall find the download icon right there within the project at the top right corner if you are on your Windows. Now in case of the Android device here, you can simply head over and you can tap on three dots there and you shall find the download option here. So you can see the download icon here. So tap on download and then go ahead and you can choose the file type, file size, and you can choose various other options and download it. However, the other options are for Canva Premium only if you are subscribed to it. If not, you can simply tap on three dots and download it if you are on your phone. If you are on the website on your Windows or such, then you'll find the download icon at the top right corner of your Windows. So this is how you can export project easily from Canva. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.